Hi, my name is Victoria, and in today's video I'll show you one very interesting technique which you can use by many other projects. You will need some shapes, just take whatever you've got. You can use a coin or even toothpaste lid. You can use artificial leather, any fabric. I find glittery fabric, glittery materials would work very well on this project. You will need a piece of fabric stabilizer. Fabric stabilizer is similar like fusible web, only you can iron it, and because it wouldn't stick, and it is stable and thick. If you don't have it, you can also use fusible web, only you don't have to iron it anywhere. Place your round shapes just how you like it. Only one thing is important, the round shapes which should lie next to each other. You will see later why it is important. Use just normal paper glue to make the shapes stay in place. It is all what we need for the moment. You need another outer fabric, clear vinyl. You probably can't see it in the video, but my vinyl has glitter in it. You can also use the normal vinyl. And another clear vinyl sheet on the top. So now we have vinyl, outer fabric, stabilizer, outer fabric and vinyl again. Don't worry, don't think it is too thick. It works on my absolute normal sewing machine. I don't have any heavy duty machine and it works very well. I work with free motion embroidery. If you've never done it before, it is worth trying it. And it will be difficult in the first moment, but if you tried it a few times before you start doing your project, you will see it gives you new ideas. It's actually very, very cool. I've done it probably only 3 times in my life. If you don't know how to set up your sewing machine so you can do free motion embroidery, you probably need to find out how to do it for your sewing machine. But it's not difficult, it's really not difficult, and it gives you new ideas for new projects. All what you need is just try it out and practice it a few times. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You will see when your project is finished, even if you didn't do anything perfectly, it will still look very, very good. Using a cutter could be a bit difficult, at least it was for me difficult. So by the last two cuts I have to draw with a pen and just use my scissors. I'm very pleased with how it looks like. Look, even backside looks good. I use an edge stitch foot, just make sure that the stitch gonna be straight. So next I use zipper foot. Make sure that foot doesn't go on the zipper, just very neat next to it. So we need one sheet of clear vinyl again. This is gonna be our last sheet. If you love this project and want a detailed step-by-step guide, I've got something special for you. On my Patreon you'll find a full in-depth description on this project, plus many more. But that's not all. Every single pattern from my Etsy shop is available on Patreon. And for just small contribution you can download them all with no extra cost. No need to buy patterns separately, just join, explore and start creating. It's definitely worth taking a look, so feel free to check it out and browse around. Who knows, you might find your favorite sewing project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Something very big is coming in the next video. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it out.